hosting. We have booked domain and hosting. So now it's time to connect the domain and hosting. If it is booked from different registrar, if the registrar is same, example, if you have already booked domain from GoDaddy and you have already purchased hosting from GoDaddy, so you don't need to connect both. But whenever you purchase domain from GoDaddy and hosting you are purchasing, or you have purchased from Namecheap or from different server, different hosting provider company, so you have to connect them internally, because how domain will know from where to pick up the pages, or how hosting will know which domain I have to render the pages. So both has to be interlinked. So it can be like this: if suppose your domain is here, your domain is booked here, your domain is here, example on the company B, and the hosting is here. So both has to be interlinked. This will be linked with this one, this will be linked with this one. So the changes has to be done at this end. Hosting doesn't need to be changed here anything, because hosting whenever we purchase, it's already pointed to the domain. But domain has to be pointed back to the hosting server. So let's see the practical how we can do these things. So simply we will log into the GoDaddy account or the registrar from where you have purchased the domain or you have booked the domain. So I need to log in here. I'll go to this section, click on sign in, and I will enter my user ID and password, means the credentials which I have already used during the booking of domain. So I will just simply click here on sign in, and we will see the dashboard of the GoDaddy. And here we will try to find out where are my domains. So see, it simply came to the product page. Here is the product page is showing here. You can see here product page is here. Let me point it out. This is the product page. So we'll just see and come down and we'll see what domains we have booked here. So see, you can see lots of domains are here: SMS Marketer, Digital Network Report, My Digital Marketing dot something. So simply click on manage all. My products and services are here, so we can see the domains. So we can click here manage all. Simply click on manage all domain. Whichsoever domain you want to change the name server, or whichsoever domain you want to change or point to the another hosting server, simply click on that domain and click on manage. Let us take an example. If I want to manage this one, Cool Trip India, Date on Rent, Digital Dealing, Digital Marketing Expert, whatever the domain I have to point out. Let us take an example. If I'm going to point out this one, I'm going to point this one, Rent on Dent, or suppose Digital Dealing, so XYZ. Simply click on this one domain, click here. The new page will open, and we have to look for DNS, manage DNS or name server. Just figure it out. So we will just find out where is DNS, manage DNS or something like. So you can see here manage DNS is coming here. Click on this manage DNS section. The other section will come and show you all the records, zone records, and everything will be shown here. So we can see here name server. This is the main pointer. We have to change it out. Whenever you click on change, so whenever you book a hosting, the hosting provider will give you name server, the same name server. Earlier it was I will use GoDaddy domain name server if you are using hosting from GoDaddy. If the hosting is from third-party company or it is from some other company, so you have to just click on I will use my own name server and enter the name server 1 and name server 2 here and click on save finally. So this name server 1 and name server 2 will be always provided by the hosting company. So hosting, from where you purchase the hosting, they will provide you the name servers. You just simply need to note down the name servers 1, name server 2 in these sections respectively, so that domain will be pointed to the hosting. In this way we are able to connect our domain with the hosting. I think this video will help you a lot while connecting your domain with the hosting. So now in the next section we will try to learn something new which will be quite interesting here. Thanks, see you in the next lesson. Bye bye.